Hey, banana buddy. Ever wonder why sometimes getting more bananas feels like a breeze, and other times it's like the banana bank is squeezing every last drop out of your peel? Ronaldo is puzzled. She has heard whispers in the jungle about interest rates and how they make bananas act weird. What are these mysterious rates, and why do they change the value of her precious bananas? Luckily, Max, our sharp business monkey, is here to peel back the layers of this mystery. Max explains that interest is simply the price you pay for borrowing bananas from someone else. Think of it as renting bananas for a period. You give back the original amount plus a little extra for using them. The banana bank is the jungle's main storehouse for bananas, both for saving and for lending. They hold all the bananas that monkeys deposit, keeping them safe and ready to be lent out. Kodi wants to expand his banana stand and needs more bananas to buy better tools and more banana trees. So he heads to the banana bank, hoping to get a big banana loan. The manager explains that Kodi will have to pay back the loan plus an interest rate, a percentage of the borrowed bananas. This interest is how the banana bank makes money and covers its own costs. With the loan, Kodi gets his new equipment and starts making even more banana products. His business is booming, and he's selling bananas faster than ever. When he pays back the loan, he returns the original loan amount plus the agreed-upon interest. So the bank earns bananas by letting others use their bananas. That makes sense. But who decides how high or low these interest rates are? That's where King Banana comes in. When King Banana wants the jungle economy to grow faster, he tells the banana bank to lower interest rates. Lower rates mean borrowing bananas is cheaper, so more monkeys are willing to take loans. Max might borrow bananas to build a new banana processing plant, creating more jobs for other monkeys. Ronaldo might take a small loan to buy that cool new banana-powered scooter she's always wanted. This increased borrowing leads to more spending and more production throughout the jungle. A booming economy makes King Banana very happy as the overall production of bananas goes up. But what if there are suddenly too many bananas circulating and prices for everything start going up rapidly? This is inflation. When your bananas just don't buy as much as they used to, King Banana doesn't like inflation. It makes life harder for us monkey citizens. So, to cool things down, King Banana tells the banana bank to raise interest rates. Higher rates make borrowing bananas more expensive, so monkeys are less likely to take out new loans. Max, reconsidering his new factory plans, crumpling the blueprints. Ronaldo decides that Scooter can wait. Saving her bananas makes more sense. That's because when interest rates are high, the banana bank pays you more interest for keeping your bananas with them. With less borrowing and spending, the jungle economy slows down. This helps bring inflation back under control, making bananas valuable again. Interest rates can also vary depending on the type of loan. A short-term loan, like for a new banana peeling knife, might have a lower rate, but a huge long-term loan for Max's Mega Banana Warehouse might have a different, possibly higher rate. The banana bank also considers the risk of lending to different monkeys. Monkeys with a great banana repayment history get better deals. Those who haven't been so good at paying back might face a much higher risk premium. Setting the perfect interest rate is a tricky balance for King Banana. Too low, and inflation runs wild. Too high, and the jungle economy slows too much. That's why the banana bank's announcements about interest rates are so important. They directly impact how monkeys borrow, save, and spend their bananas. It's a delicate dance to keep the banana economy healthy and thrive. When managed well, the banana bank helps bananas flow smoothly through the jungle. It allows businesses like Max's to expand and create more banana goodness, and helps hardworking monkeys like Kodi get the resources they need. So, the next time you hear about interest rates, you'll know it's all about the cost of renting bananas. A key tool for King Banana to guide our jungle economy, keeping the banana economy strong and stable for all. That's the banana-tastic scoop on interest rates. Subscribe for more monkey money wisdom.